So, I heard you guys have trouble doing your own hair. Don't worry, I got you, Bookie. I'm gonna walk you through my step-by-step process, making it super easy for you to rock a stunning new look. Okay, so jumping straight in. The hair came in this silk satin drawstring bag. Inside the bag, I got this little gift bag with some free gifts inside it. I got an edge melting band, some HD lace wig caps, an edge brush with a little lace glue applicator tool at the end of it, these eyelashes, and this little hair clip. I got this hair from Mega Look Hair. It's a blue 13x4 24-inch body wave wig. It came pre-colored, pre-curled, pre-plucked, and with an adjustable elastic band to help adjust the wig to the size of your head. Now, let's get into the install. Starting off with Ghost Bond lace glue. Now, we're going to apply thin layers of the glue. I'm doing the dotting method to apply the lace glue. It helps me not apply too much product, and that's the key. You do not want to go in too heavy with the lace glue. You want to make sure you're able to spread that out evenly, meaning that there are no lumps and clumps in your lace glue. And let me tell you, use a clean applicator tool, because if your applicator tool has previous lace glue on it from other installs, you're gonna clump up your lace glue and it's not gonna dry evenly. And always make sure each layer becomes clear and tacky before you apply the other one. When it becomes clear and tacky, you're going to carefully apply the lace where you put the glue. Then you use a comb to press the lace into the glue. Then we tie it down with an edge melting band for 15 minutes. Moving on to cutting the lace. I use stainless steel shears to remove the excess lace. You can get scissors like these from your local beauty supply store. Next, I'm gonna spray some Got To Be Free spray on the end of a rat tail comb and use tapping motions to put it around my hairline to further melt the lace into my skin. I'm doing a side part for this install. Then we're gonna get our wax stick because we want this install to be flat. Now we're gonna get our hot comb to press through the hair after applying the wax stick to the hair in small sections. You mean to tell me you made it this far in the video and haven't hit the subscribe button yet? Completely free to you, but means the world to me. It helps me out a lot, especially when I'm on here trying to save y'all some money and teach you how to do your own hair. So come on, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl. Next, we gotta get the makeup. I'm using the shade 16 in Ruby Kisses foundation to blend the edges of the wig with my skin tone and to define my side part, which helps create a more natural look. Listen, I can go no baby hairs and it would still eat, but I love me some edges. So here I'm just using Lotta Body foam to lay my baby hairs, using my fingers to follow behind the brush while I swoop the baby hairs in the direction I want it to lay. Moving on to curling the hair. Now, since the hair already came pre-curled, I barely have to do any styling. So I'm just gonna recurl the front of the hair. What you see me doing here now is taking my curling iron with the clamp facing down, away from my face, moving the hair up and back while I open the clamp just a little so I can have space to feed the hair throughout the curling iron. And you want to make sure you roll the hair from the bottom to the top and secure it with a duckbill clip so the curl can cool and set. And I'm just going to repeat this process with each section. Then touching up my lace with some Fantasia Spritz melting spray before I tie it down one last time. And here's the finished look. I'm absolutely loving how this blue wig turned out. It's super vibrant and fun. The best part is that it's really easy to achieve this look at home with just a few simple steps and some practice. To recap, the key to an effortless wig install is to take your time, be patient, and just have fun with it. By following these simple steps, mixed with a little patience, you can achieve professional looking results from the comfort of your own home and save yourself some coin. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and styles. It's truly all about taking your time and making sure each step is properly done. If you've been inspired to try out a blue wig, I'd love to hear about it. Comment below with your favorite wig colors and styles. And if you're looking for more beginner-friendly wig tips and tutorials, be sure to check out my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.